In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multi-person scheduling with Calendly. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to calendly.com. Click Log In, enter your email address, and continue with your password. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home dashboard where you manage all your event types. To set up multi-person scheduling, click Create. Calendly gives you a few ways to meet with more than one person. The simplest options you'll see are group and round robin, and if you click more ways to meet, you'll also find collective. Each one solves a different scheduling need, so choosing the right type is key. Group is ideal when you, as a single host, want to allow multiple invitees to join the same time slot. Think webinars, training sessions, or office hours. Round Robin is designed for distributing one-on-one meetings across a team. Calendly will assign the meeting to an available host based on the rules you set, which helps balance workload and reduce wait times. Collective is for meetings that require multiple hosts at the same time, like a duo sales call or a panel interview, so Calendly only shows times when all selected hosts are available. After you pick the event type that fits, give your event a clear name so invitees know exactly what to expect. Set the duration and add buffer time before or after the meeting if you want to prevent back-to-back bookings. Next, choose your location. You can connect Zoom, Google Meet, or another conferencing option so links are generated automatically with each booking. Set your availability by choosing the days and times you want to offer, along with any date ranges or blackout periods. This is where you keep things realistic, match the windows you can actually meet, and use buffers and minimum scheduling notice to avoid last-minute surprises. Now configure participants. For group events, set the maximum number of invitees allowed per time slot. For round robin and collective, each booking typically includes one invitee per meeting. On the host side, group uses a single host. Round robin lets you add multiple hosts who will alternate based on availability and routing rules. Collective lets you add multiple hosts who all need to attend. Calendly will only offer times when everyone is free. Review your settings, double-check the meeting details and availability rules, and when everything looks good, save your changes. That's it. Your multi-person scheduling workflow in Calendly is ready to go.